Very good morning from Ooty. We are heading towards Ooty Tea Garden and Tea Factory, which is about 5.5 kilometers away from the town. Sometimes all you need is a cup of tea. There is a saying by William Ewart Gladstone, if you are cold, tea will warm you. If you are too heated, it will cool you. If you are depressed, it will cheer you. If you are excited, it will calm you. The Ooty Tea Factory is situated amid the blue hills of Nilgiris at an altitude of approximately 2000 meters. The first stage of tea production is the cultivation of tea plants. Tea leaves are harvested from the tea plants and transferred to the nearby tea factory for production. The third step of tea processing is called withering, where the water content of tea leaves reduces by half. The fourth step are rolling, tossing or crushing the tea leaves. The machine takes around 20 to 30 minutes to rupture the leaves and bring the juice outside. Followed by the next step is a fermentation process, where the tea's flavor, color and strength changes. The tea leaves turn from a greenish to a coppery brown color. Next is the drying process, where the leaves are dried to remove the excess moisture, taking around 20 to 25 minutes. Lastly, the tea particles are sorted based on their sizes and undergo through cleaning process to remove any remaining fibers. The final stage is packing and distributing. The tea is being packed in plywood tea chests or multi-walled aluminium craft pager sacks to avoid moisture. Thank you for watching.